Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the write function in Google Sheets. This simple formula helps you extract characters from the end of a string. The write, the write function allows you to pull a specified number of characters from the end of a text string. It's really handy for isolating parts of a string like a file extension or a suffix. To use the write function, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Then type is equal to write followed by the cell reference and the number of characters you want to extract. For example, if you have text in cell A1 and want the last three characters, you would use is equal to write A1, comma 3 and press enter. And you will see the last three characters of the text from cell A1. The write function makes it easy to get exactly the part of the text you need. You can adjust the number of characters you want to extract by changing the second number in the formula. For instance, is equal to write A1, comma 5 will give you the last 5 character of the text. Drag the formula to the rest of the cells and get last 5 character of the text. And that's it. You now know how to use the write function to extract characters from the end of a text string in Google Sheets. It's simply yet powerful tool for managing and manipulating your text data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.